If you're considering using messenger bots in your business, then you've likely asked yourself the question, what is the best messenger bot software for me to use in my business? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a ManyChat review. It's been almost a year since I started using ManyChat in my business and in my clients' businesses. And I thought it was time that I shared with you the reasons why I think ManyChat is the best fit software for my business so that I can help you make the decision on whether or not ManyChat is right for you. Hi there, I'm Heather Turbine of heatherturbine.com, and I help online entrepreneurs increase their income and impact with messenger bot marketing strategies. And if you haven't had a chance yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified each and every week when I drop a new video on messenger bot marketing tips and tricks. Be sure to stick around until the end because I have a bonus tip for you, regardless of what type of business owner or work title you would give yourself. This bonus tip will help you decide whether or not ManyChat or Chatfuel is going to be a better fit for you. The first appealing characteristic of ManyChat is that it does have a free version. I think when you're first determining whether or not you're going to even be consistent using messenger bots in your business, it's nice to have a free version to test out and play around with before you have to commit to a paid version. The second reason why I have really enjoyed using ManyChat over this last year is how user-friendly it is. The dashboard is intuitive. It has a special builder called Flow Builder that really is a visual way to build out your flows, as they call them, and different journeys you can send your messenger bot subscribers on. You don't need to know any coding. For somebody like me who considers myself not as technical as perhaps a developer or engineer would, I think that ManyChat is a good software for folks like us. The third reason why I've enjoyed using ManyChat over this past year is the active community that there is around using the software. So whether it's in the free Facebook group or in other communities online, you're able to really find a lot of folks that you can reach out to ask questions, get examples of how they're using bots, and it really helps to foster a supportive environment for when you're first getting started out building out your messenger bot sequences and your subscribers and what have you. So number 3 would be because of a really robust active community. The fourth reason why I'm a big fan of ManyChat is all the free education and tutorials that you can find out and learn how to use the software well. Whether or not you're following somebody like me on YouTube, which if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and do follow me if you are interested in learning more about how to use ManyChat in your business. But even beyond that, ManyChat has a very robust YouTube channel that you could follow to get free tutorials, and there are many others out there as well. And that's really important to be able to get the education and the tutorials that you need to get started as well. Now, for my bonus tip, if you are trying to decide between ManyChat and Chatfuel, I recommend going and joining both free groups. So Chatfuel has a free Facebook community and ManyChat has a free Facebook community. Go and join both free communities and ask the question from the horse's mouth. Go and drop a question in both communities asking for recommendations and reviews comparing both of the softwares. So to recap, the 4 main reasons why I think ManyChat in many cases may be the best bot software you could be using in your business is 1, it has a free version. So when you're first starting out, a free version is very important. So that's number 1. Number 2, it is super user-friendly. And if you're not super techie, I think ManyChat is a great option for you. Number 3, It has a really active community that you can reach out and get support from and feel like you're a part of a community. And number 4 is that there is a ton of free content online that will help you get up and running in the beginning with tutorials and education. Now you have my comprehensive review on why I think ManyChat may be the best software for your messenger bot marketing needs. But wait, there's even more. If you're ready to take it to the next level with using messenger bot strategies in your business, be sure to download my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. The link is linked up below this video, and it is the definitive guide on getting you started and growing your business, selling more using bots. And if you'd like to join a group of other like-minded entrepreneurs who are learning about using messenger bot marketing in their business, be sure to hop on over and join my Messenger Boss community to get the support you need there. The link to join the community is below this video. If you liked this video, would you let me know by hitting that like button below and also leaving me a comment with your thoughts on using messenger bots in your business? If you get a chance, share it with a friend that you think would enjoy this content. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week.